Here's the base coat.
I don't personally like
Silver Lake.
You're like, you know, you
Yeah, right here.
Where'd you go?
On the other side of it.
Okay, I'm going towards Veronica.
Okay, I gotta take a picture.
Okay.
Alright, finally got these crafter companions. Oops, sorry. My truck has been late the last couple of weeks. It's the only one of my stores that got a truck in. Duplicates of all of those. I just pulled them down. And let's see, I already showed them Boston folders. What else is new? Same thing, okay. Gotta get it for my sister. These are all made, so they're coming out a little early. Let me show that one. Did I show that one already? No. Planner stuff. Make those in the shakers. And it's been out before. You got to press the soda, so Boston folder and the die. To make it into a shaker. I think so. Scissors is gonna be for next month. And some of these have been out before. Tassel, hadn't seen that one. Yes, I put them back. So you need to ask me because I did put them back. That's why they let me get the card a lot, because they know I clean up behind myself. That's a cute tassel there.
I'm gonna have to fly.
It was thin, but it's kind of locked. I think I showed this one before.
Okay. This one doesn't look like it has the little pens in it.
I don't have to have a clear on this.
Oh, okay. Bring it out. See? No? Okay.
You can't call them to the TV and hit cameras because
I can, but if their day has been anything like our day, I don't know how much fun they're going to be. It's been so crazy, but sure, I can give them a call. And you want the notepad?
Let's see, most of this paper. I'm not saying this one. This project, so I have some now. I think everything else. Okay. Has been shown. I think I showed this one. A 6x6. That's pretty. There's a couple more. Lenoir. I saw that one. Wedding ones. I got a million of these when it was on clearance at Michael's. Around the same price. And I got a couple sets from Joanne. So I have, I think, all of these. Beautiful scripts. Especially for someone who can't write like me.